ngasi si ai Union Home Minister ga BC ama leibani aduna ai makhada lakado busu thuna laga thuna halage na lae maramdi ai gi pu balte se mabuk syam ingba aina hanba vote ka bagi speaker oi matam da he was one of my best friend. That particular incident on 4th May I still remember. I ko se punna phamina bani kamai to the control to sige mayam saunari sing sen. Then what happened? Meeting lo daga ai yum da saksa bahle ai yum yam nai siam banglo dagi masi lehowi mayam. So in that particular evening ai na khwai dagi ngai hoda base ai le ramadi ai na magi manakta le ramadi ma adugi incident to thoi I was really regret aduga on third so kun pulle me kangku pigi pinin chado evening da ma salage hai aina khame mob violence yam sathi bani tang sakano ai adum ngai ga nongalak pagi pung ani da ma si with full security tha bani ado aina ngai huda badi on that particular fault ai magi manakta le huda bagi ma chapa khamu da bado ai pulsi da khwai dagi ningam da ban mit oi adu ngasi ru ai maru balte gi magi taibung ban badagi sakhi bagi function sida ai ngahak ta su yauge aina lakpani ai ngasi yaw phungjabase aduki matik ai laibu phayna kanje to aina ngasi mayam gi mamang da haijari pu balte gi family ai family gumbani magi tinar mamu mapang mayam ai maru mapang gumbani aduna matam pumbada aina angamba ai mating pangani hairakada ai loisinjari punang putagasari. Thank you.
Sir. Just leave a message. Yes, sir.
One question from North ANI. So what is the road to peace in Manipur?
See, as you know that peace, to restore peace is the only way to develop Manipur.
How will you restore? Sorry.
Today you are smiling to me.
Yeah.
So this is, I mean, the part of this.
Sir, what is the, condolence and what are the benefits? Like the demands are placed before the government.
No.
Because 129 days, the dead body has been put in the morgue, demanding certain things.
See, I'm here today to condole and just coming here to pray to the God that his heart, I mean, his soul must be right and peaceful. And we are grief and we are sorrow and unhappiness.
Sir, a message for the people of Lanka.
What?
Any message?
My message to restore peace is the only way to develop as all of us.
Sir, how do you feel after coming to Churachanpur after many years?
I feel good. I remember good festival.
Thank you, sir.
Bye bye.